In this video, I am going to discuss about understanding forgetting, its causes, types, and its impact on students. Forgetting refers to the apparent loss or modification of information already encoded and stored in an individual's long-term memory. It is the inability to recall previously learned information or past experiences. Several definitions highlight different aspects of forgetting. Psychological perspective. Forgetting is the failure to retrieve information from memory either completely or partially. Neuroscientific perspective. Forgetting is the process by which unused neural connections weaken over time, leading to loss of information. Everyday understanding. Forgetting is simply not being able to bring something to mind when needed. Causes of forgetting. Several factors contribute to forgetting. Decay theory suggests that memory traces fade over time if they are not used. This is more relevant to short-term memory. Interference theory indicates that other information interferes with the retrieval of what one is trying to remember. There are two types. Proactive interference, that is, older memories interfere with the recall of newer information, and retroactive interference, that is, newer memories interfere with the recall of older information. Retrieval failure. Sometimes the information is stored in memory but cannot be accessed due to lack of retrieval cues. Motivated forgetting, also known as repression. This occurs when individuals consciously or unconsciously push away painful or unwanted memories. Encoding failure. Information was never properly encoded into long-term memory in the first place. Organic causes. Brain injuries, diseases, and other physical changes can lead to forgetting. Now, types of forgetting. Different types of forgetting are natural forgetting. This includes the gradual fading of memories over time. Motivated forgetting, that is, purposeful forgetting to avoid distressing memories. Cue-dependent forgetting. Forgetting that occurs when there are insufficient retrieval cues to reassess the memory. And stage-dependent forgetting. Memory is better recalled in the same stage in which it was encoded, that is, mood, context, etc. Interference-based forgetting. Forgetting due to interference from other information. How forgetting affects students' performance. Students may struggle to recall information during exams, affecting their grades and overall performance. Inability to retain learned information leads to repeated learning, which can be time-consuming and frustrating. Frequent forgetting can diminish students' confidence in their academic abilities. Difficulty in recalling procedures and concepts can impair practical application and skill development. The fear of forgetting important information can increase stress and anxiety levels, further hindering academic performance. Now, importance of forgetting in education. Forgetting allows the brain to prioritize and retain information that is deemed important, clearing out less relevant data. By forgetting less critical information, the brain organizes and stores significant memories more efficiently. Forgetting outdated or incorrect information helps students adapt and update their knowledge base with current and accurate information. Regular forgetting helps prevent cognitive overload, maintaining a balance in memory system and promoting mental health. Forgetting erroneous information learned in the past can facilitate the learning of correct information. Forgetting is a natural and necessary process that, while something detrimental to academic performance, play a crucial role in cognitive function. Understanding its causes and types can help educators and students develop strategies to minimize its negative impact while appreciating its role in maintaining a healthy and adaptive memory system. Now, try this.